Welcome to Science for 50. Today we're going to see what are the features of the sun. But first, it's time to make our flashcard. Remember to bring construction paper and bond paper to make the bases and the part that we will write on. Have 8 pieces of colored construction paper and 8 pieces of bond paper. And paste one over other just like in this example. Now it's time to write what we will have on our flashcards. Here are the layers of the sun with their names and a short definition of each one of them. First, we have the core. It's where nuclear fission happens. The radioactive sun radiation moves energy with X-rays and gamma rays. The convective sun, boiling heat rises from the surface in this place. Photosphere. This is what is called the surface of the sun, where you can see all the light. The chromosphere is the reddish atmosphere with specules. The corona is the outermost atmosphere of the sun. The sunspots are colder places on the sun. The solar flare is energy explosion that shoots outside the sun atmosphere. Copy each layer on one card. Remember to also add the drawings with their names and the definitions. Now that we have finished, let's see a little bit more of each part of the sun. On the core is the center of the sun, the same name for the center of an apple. This is where all the sun energy comes from. The radioactive sun is the sun around the core, and it produces gamma rays and X-rays that move the core's heat energy out toward the surface. The convective sun. Convection is when heat rises and colder gas, liquid, or plasma sinks. The convective sun is made entirely of boiling plasma, sending heat up to the sun's surface. Photosphere. Photo means light. The photosphere is like a surface of light that covers the sun. To remember this, I think of photos on a sphere. Chromosphere. A layer of the sun outer atmosphere. The chromosphere is a reddish glow. Chromo means color, and sphere means ball. So it is a ball of color around the surface that can be seen during an eclipse. I like to remember this word by the first sound, crow, thinking of how they fly around above the surface. Corona. Corona means crown in Latin. This outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere can also be seen during an eclipse, like a crown surrounding the sun. Sunspots. The sun sometimes gets spots on its surface that are darker and cooler. Solar flare. The sun is so active that sometimes the energy bursts out with flares. Interesting, isn't it? That's all for today. See you next time.